Hey guys, Mr. Gucci here with a short video to briefly introduce today's quest. So today you are taking the Unit 10 quest with percent yield problems and stoichiometry problems, right? The percent yield problems are here. You have two of them. Make sure that you put your answer in right here. It will automatically tabulate your answer as a percent. So you don't need to enter in the percent symbol or any units. All right. Next, you have three stoichiometry problems, all right, where I lay out an equation for you, a balanced chemical equation, and then I describe a conversion that you need to do, all right? So in this first case, I got to put my student ID in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all right? Make sure you do that. So in the above chemical reaction, you begin with 268 grams of propane. How many liters of CO2 will you produce? All right, so in the first part of every problem, you got to convert your starting amount into moles. For the second part, you will convert your starting moles into final moles. And then in the third and final part of each problem, you must convert your final moles into the final appropriate units for the problem. This is exactly as we have been doing on all the stoichiometry in this unit so far. I've also loaded up this worksheet in which you must show the work for all of your problems and submit it with your test so that you will get full credit. Now, I have set this test up in a special way to help you out. Let's say that in the first step, you make a mistake and you get 34.5 moles, all right, as your answer. But let's say this is wrong. Let's say the answer is actually 24.5 moles. Well, if you stick with this number and plug it into your next step, and then take that answer and plug it into the step after that, if you do the second and third steps of the conversion correctly, you will get credit, all right? Because I will be plugging in your answer here into the next portion and so forth. And this is a way so that if you mess up the first part of the conversion, it's not going to ruin you for the entire rest of the problem. That just means that if you get 34.5 moles for the first step, make sure you plug that answer into your second step and start solving, because I will judge the correctness of the second part based on did you solve it correctly given what you got in the first step. Okay, so this will help you. This will prevent you from losing all the points after you mess up one step of the problem. Okay, so there we go, guys. I'm going to format this. I'm going to upload it Tuesday evening before I leave school, so you can get started on it a little bit early. It's going to be due Wednesday evening, so you have about 24 hours to work on it. You can use your homework. You can use your notes. You can use any of my help videos, any of the labs that we've done. And for this test, I will allow you to look up the molar masses of different substances. So if you to convert from grams to moles of, say, one of these substances down here, like magnesium hydroxide or phosphoric acid or magnesium phosphate, you are allowed to look that up and use those values, okay? 25 points possible on this test. You can actually get up to 27 if you get every single one correct. So we'll see how that goes. All right, guys. I am available office hours today being a Wednesday. So if you have any difficulty completing this test, please just pop into office hours from 2 to 2:30 on Wednesday, and I'll answer any questions you might have. You can also send an email with any of your questions, and I'll try and get back to you on that as soon as I can. All right, guys, have a great day, and good luck on the quest.